Lesihlahla sikaKhisimusi sihlukile kunezinye. Side ngo-6.4 wamamitha, silukiwe futhi sahlotshiswa ngemihlobiso yesikhathi sikaKhisimusi.
I motivated my group about November last year, and they started making squares, and their friends made squares, and my family all around South Africa, and we must have, I only wanted 1,000 squares, and I think we've got 1,800, close to 2,000 squares.
Le ndlela yakudala yokuluka ifakazela ukusebenzisana kwabantu.
Really taught me teamwork, how we can achieve massive results in a short space of time if we work as a team. And I love my 67 Blankets tribe. It's a wonderful and lovely thing where we learn and share skills.
Lolu siko lokusetshenziswa kwentsonto luvuselela umoya wokuphana.
An idea, a simple idea, a ball of wool and a crochet hook has snowballed dramatically into what many people are calling a movement for good, a movement for change in our world. These decorations on this tree are going to be made into blankets to be distributed to people who need them in the cold winter months.
Lesihlahla sesenze abantu bajabulela ukuza kwesikhathi sikaKhisimusi.
It's fantastic. I think they did a nice job. They went a hard job. A lot of work went into it. And I like the atmosphere.